Hi, welcome to Digital Growth Community. I am so glad you are here. I wanted to kind of share with you a little bit why Digital Growth Community and how it came about. So you guys, last September of 2022, I started promoting digital products online. I knew nothing about really building any type of customer base online. I did not have no following, okay? I did not have an email list. So I took this blueprint and I learned step by step how to build a very successful business. Here's a few things that I learned, and this is why we are here right now. And that is, I learned how to work 2 hours a day and build a customer base through online and be able to do that working 2 hours a day and make six figures in less than 6 months. And it was with a low ticket product. What happened is, and the reason why it was only 2 hours a day is because it was automated. So I started going live and sharing my experience with others and helping people as well. And it really started because I had a gentleman get on and he was a realtor. And he's like, would this help with my real estate business? Because I need to trim the fat on our advertising budget. So I showed him how to take my automated business and how to use it for his real estate. And it worked very well. And you're going to learn that inside our digital community. And then all of a sudden I was helping massage therapists. I was helping moms that just want to make some extra income from home. I was helping moms wanted to replace their income and literally just work and be their own boss, be their own CEO. And so that is what really created the Digital Growth Community, because we now have, at the time of this, we have over 1,900 people inside our community, and they're winning. They're able to utilize the tool and resources through what they've learned inside our community and be able to reach their goals, no matter if it's a brick and mortar business, no matter if they're a coach, if they're an affiliate marketer, no matter what type of business they have. And so what we decided to do is, why don't we open this membership up so people can jump in and learn the skills that they need to build a very successful business and shave off that learning curve. I mean, isn't that what you want, to spend less time and shave off the learning curve so you could make more quicker? Now, here's where it gets really good. So what you're going to get inside of this, you're actually going to get the 2 hour a day workflow. And I don't care what type of business you have, I'm going to show you how to market your business for free in less than 2 hours a day. Okay. You're going to learn how to attract your perfect customers to you. You're actually going to get a complete content toolbox that equips you with everything you need, from how to do a call to action and how to stop the scroll of your perfect customers. You're also going to learn how to build a business from 0 followers to 6 figures in 6 months. I will also show you how to organically build an email list to 6 figures in less than 6 months. You're going to learn how to use ChatGPT because it's going to 10x your productivity. Now, why in a membership setting? Because I don't want you to feel alone. I want you to feel part of something. And we all have dreams. We all have goals. We all have ambitions. But together, when you can do that as a community, we're unstoppable, because we all have our strengths and we have our weaknesses. So here's many of the other benefits for you. First of all, you're going to learn the 2 hour workday. You're going to learn how to get customers on a daily basis. Okay. I don't care what type of business you have. We all need customers. You're going to be part of live training every Thursday. We can have a marketing Thursday. It's all about marketing, all about getting your business discovered. I'm going to have a mindset to equip you with the mindset skills that a CEO has. And then momentum. What do you need to do to achieve momentum in your business so you get customers on a daily basis? And then the 4th Thursday is going to be a guest speaker every single month, some expert in some type of industry that can help you. Maybe they are how to do copywriting better, whatever. I'm just giving examples. It's going to be some type of experts that's going to help you even achieve your goals and dreams quicker, and learn skills that are going to help you attract customers on a daily basis. Now, also, Every month, we're going to have a networking event. This is where you get on a Zoom. There's going to be several businesses that are going to be featured, but you're going to be able to hear what other businesses are doing, build your network, probably find more of your raving customers as well, right? But also learn what's working now for them and why it's working. You guys, this is all going to be in the digital growth community that you get to be part of. Okay, so what you need to do is just go right down here and join the membership, and then I get to see you on the inside. The very first thing you're going to do when you get inside is you're going to introduce yourself. We want to know who you are and what your goals are, and you're going to see an amazing community of people ready to assist you, work with you, and help you reach your goals and dreams. Also, we do have a tech call on Tuesdays to help you as well. And we have another Mentoring Monday call that you can get on, and it's just all about digital marketing and making money online. So you are going to be equipped with the skills that you need to learn how to take your business where it is and to making daily pay. So see you on the inside of the community.